In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create an animated GIF. An animated GIF is made out of 3 or more images that are played in quick succession of each other, with each image having a slight change from the previous one. Let's make a very simple drawing of a hydrogen element. I'm going to keep it simple and draw only the electrons. So in my Google Drive, I'm going to open up a new canvas in Google Drawing. In there, I can create my first drawing. This we'll call Hydrogen 1. Let's make a circle. Which we will center in the center of the screen. And let's make the line around it slightly thicker and get rid of the fill. Now we're going to add the electron. So let's make one electron right here. Now this electron moves around the hydrogen. Let's add the name of the element in the center. H, and let's enlarge it so that it fits into, let's make it size 72. There we go. Okay. I'm going to make the color of my electron red. Now I'm going to use this drawing to make several other drawings. So let's make a copy of this electron and let's call it H2. We now have a new document called H2, and I can move the electron to another spot on the element. Let's make another copy. And I can make as many copies as I want. I'm just going to make the first 3 frames so you can see what those look like. Here's H3, and I'm going to make a copy. And let's make H3 where the element moves down. Now obviously, if you're going to be doing this for real, you're going to want the element to move all the way around the circle until it comes back to the original position. And if you're going to be doing a different element, you're going to be adding more electrons and moving those around. So let's now download each of our elements as a JPEG file or a GIF file. Let's go to File, Download, and we have several options here. I'm going to choose PNG because PNG allows me to do transparent backgrounds, and GIFs only allow me to do white backgrounds. So let's use the PNG. Notice I have H1 PNG downloaded. Let's download H2 and have that one as well. So download the second PNG and then download the third PNG. Okay. Once I'm done downloading all of my files, I'm going to go to an animation website. I've chosen animatemaker.me. You can choose many ones, but this one seems to work really well. Let's go ahead and upload our images from our downloads folder. So if I hold my shift key, I can actually bring all 3 images in at once or one at a time. And I have 3 images downloaded. Take a look, we can already see the animation starting in the control panel. You can set the animation speed, you can set the canvas size, and you can set it how many times you want to repeat. 0 would be an infinite loop. Okay, you can add some background music if you'd like, play around with it, and you're going to create the GIF animation. Let's download it. So now I have a new file called something.gif, which I can find in my Finder. And if you play it using Google Chrome, let's take a look. Here's my animation. For some reason it's black. Let's see if we can get it to play in something else. Let's go back to my Finder. What do they recommend that we open it in? And there we go, GIF Maker, but that one doesn't move. Let's try one more. There we go. In Safari, I get it to run perfectly. You can experiment with different ways to open your file to see the animation. Okay, this file, go ahead back to the Finder and rename it properly so we know what the file is. Okay, let's call it animated hydrogen element. And then you upload this file to your Google Classroom for a final grade.